In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Draw.io diagram inside Confluence or Jira and manage the grid settings to suit your workflow. Let's dive right in and make your diagramming experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, you'll need to open your Draw.io diagram within your Confluence or Jira dashboard. Once you've got your diagram displayed, your focus will shift to customizing its view to match your preferences. To do this, we'll be navigating through the View menu, which is your gateway to several helpful display options. Take a look at the top toolbar of your Draw.io interface. Alongside various other options, you'll see the View menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will unfold, revealing multiple settings. Your goal here is to manage the grid, which can be a valuable guide when you are trying to align elements or maintain consistency within your diagram. Inside the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Grid. By clicking on it, you can toggle the grid on or off. You'll notice that when this option is ticked or checked, the grid lines will appear on your canvas, providing a structured background to help in positioning your objects neatly. Likewise, when you click again to uncheck it, these lines disappear, giving you a blank slate if you prefer a clutter-free view while editing. But the beauty of Draw.io's interface is not just in this simple toggling. There's an entire world of customization available if you want to adjust the grid settings more comprehensively. This is an optional step, but if you're someone who wants precise manipulation over grid spacing or the snapping behavior of your elements, listen up. For these more advanced adjustments, you'll need to navigate back to the top bar and click on Extras. In the drop-down from Extras, look for Preferences. Once there, you'll be guiding yourself to the Grid tab. Within the Grid tab, you have access to fine-tune settings, such as grid spacing, which dictates how much space lies between individual grid lines. This can be especially useful when you're working on a detailed or intricate design. You can also adjust the snap behavior to control how your elements magnetically align to the grid as you move them, helping maintain consistent alignment without much hassle. Once you've made the desired adjustments, simply close the menu. From there, you can continue editing your diagram with or without the grid as per your project requirements. This customization enhances not just the look but the usability of your diagrams, aligning them perfectly with your project requirements. Now you're all set to take full advantage of Draw.io's grid settings within your Confluence or Jira environment. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy diagramming.